have finally laid my hands on Virgin Hair Fertilizer after searching for complete 4 months. I initially thought maybe it has gone out of the market, but I was fortunate enough to get my hands on it today. But the thing is that the prices have gone up. I can remember the last time I bought it, I bought it for around 1,700 naira. That is approximately $1 and some cents. But right now it is sold for 3,900, which is approximately $2 60 something cents. It's still affordable if you ask me. The reason I decided to buy this is because I don't really use oils on my scalp. This is the only form of oil that I apply on my scalp. I just feel like certain oils are too heavy for my scalp. Each time I use them, it either clog my scalp or make my scalp very itchy. So this is a very good product I use on my scalp, and I love the effect on my scalp. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to personalize this, how to customize and supercharge this to be able to grow out your hair very fast. This product alone is already fire, but adding these two ingredients to it will triple the effect. We are only adding in 2 spices to this. The first spices is 4 spoons of rosemary. You can either use the fresh or the dry rosemary. This concoction is a must try. My hair loves this a lot. If your hair is itching a lot and it's making you very uncomfortable, once you apply this, it will calm your scalp down. It has this soothing effect on your scalp, and it also help you get rid of dandruff so fast. The second ingredient is 1 spoon of cloves. We use 4 spoons of rosemary and 1 spoon of cloves. I'll go ahead and grind this because it is easier to infuse into the oil when it is grinded. Out of curiosity, let me know how much they sell this Virgin Hair Fertilizer in your area. For those in the UK, for those in the US, anywhere you are, just let me know if it's available in your country and how much it costs. Now that we have grinded our herbs into powder, I'll go ahead and pour in the Virgin Hair Fertilizer into the powder. There's another way to do this. You can infuse your herbs in an oil, then mix up the oil together with the Virgin Hair Fertilizer. But I'm going to be doing it this way. I'm going to pour in the Virgin Hair Fertilizer into the herbs and then do a double boiler method on a low heat. If you're the type like myself that don't like using oils or butters on your scalp, this is a very perfect scalp cream slash oil. It takes care of the itchiness, dandruff, scalp discomfort, whatever the problem might be with your scalp. This does everything. This handles it. This controls it. This leaves your scalp feeling very healthy and free from discomfort. Imagine having a very healthy scalp where your hair is rapidly growing without any interference. That is exactly what this combination will do for you. The rosemary in this will improve blood circulation on your scalp, promoting new hair growth and strengthening the hair follicle. These 3 ingredients put together, the Virgin Hair Fertilizer, the rosemary, and the clove, they all stimulate blood flow to the scalp. These are powerhouses that will get your hair booming. It will get your hair growing so fast. Rosemary also reduces dandruff and scalp issues because it contains antimicrobial property that can help control dandruff, itchiness, and other scalp issues. The antioxidants and the nutrients in rosemary can help fortify the hair strands, reducing breakage and split ends. This is a promise. If you use this product on your hair and it doesn't work for you, please come back and drag me. I'm saying it again. If it doesn't work for you, come back and drag me. The antioxidant present in rosemary can help reduce premature graying of hair and protecting the hair follicle from oxidative stress. The antioxidants and the nutrients present in rosemary helps nourishes and protects the hair, improving the overall texture and manageability. It also repairs damaged hair, reduces freezes and flyaways. It also has anti-inflammatory property that soothes irritated scalp. Let's just say that this is your final bus stop for that itchy scalp. Once you apply this, your scalp is going to feel relaxed. So I let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes on low heat to infuse. Now we are going to use the cheesecloth to strain out the oils. Do not let this sit for long before you strain it because it will solidify. Of course, you know it is petroleum jelly and it tends to solidify once it cools off. Important information: please note that you can't cook this directly on fire. You have to do a double boiler method. Cloves has numerous benefits for hair. It has these warming properties and eugenol that stimulate blood flow to the scalp, promoting new hair growth and strengthening the hair follicle. Cloves contain antioxidants and nutrients that nourishes the scalp, creating a healthy environment for your hair. Cloves also contains antimicrobial and antifungal property which help control dandruff, itchiness and other scalp issues. The three ingredients used in this recipe controls dandruff and itchiness and also take care of other scalp issues. It strengthens the hair, nourishes the hair follicle, the antioxidants fortifies the hair strands, reducing breakage and split ends. This three combination is what they call powerhouse for your scalp. Like, this is not for your head, this is specifically for your scalp. So if you do not apply oil on your scalp, just like me, if you don't use butter, of course butters are not for your scalp, use only this on your hair. All you need to do is to apply a bit of water on your scalp, then go in with this product. Your hair will start growing like grass. After squeezing out the oil from the shaft, this is exactly what we have. This is remnant, and this one you're not supposed to throw it away because it's still very potent. All you need to do is pour in some hot water, let it infuse, then you use it as a rinse or a daily spray. Spray this on your hair, then go in with this cream on your scalp. Be consistent with this for a period of 1 month. You come back with your testimony, and your testimony is surely going to be a positive one. If you're dealing with alopecia, if your hair is thinning out, if you have bald patches, this is definitely what you should be applying on that area. This will stimulate blood flow over there, take care of the problem, be it alopecia, be it dandruff, be it itchiness, whatever it is. This will take care of it. Note that this is not a moisturizer, okay? So make sure you use herbal tea or ordinary water before you use this. After the whole extraction process, you will have to leave this to sit for an hour to solidify. This is exactly what it's going to look like. Once it has solidified, it's going to give you this creamy consistency. Now, to how you apply this, if you have a cornrow just like myself, just go in between the line, make sure it's touching the scalp. This product doesn't have any business on your hair itself. Make sure you apply it directly on your scalp. Almost immediately you start feeling the tingling sensation, the warm sensation on your scalp. It shows that it is stimulating blood flow on your scalp. That is what makes it very potent. If you're struggling with itchiness, like your scalp is always itching, once you apply this, it will calm the scalp down and you stop itching. What this combination will do for you is that it will help your hair stay in the growth phase for a longer time, leading to fuller results over time. It will also nourish your hair and revitalize your scalp. A healthy scalp environment encourages stronger roots and better hair retention. It strengthens the hair fiber from root to tip. This reduces the breakage and help your hair look fuller and thicker. If your hair is thinning out and you want your hair to be thick, this is something you should consider because it improves the density of your hair. It makes your hair look very full. It enhances blood circulation on your scalp. Better blood flow is better nutrient supply for your hair follicle, and this is what your hair needs to start growing like crazy. It helps protect your hair from dryness and damages because it seals in the moisture. Hope you try this. If you will, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in my next upload. Bye.